My name is Ishra. I study in class 5 and I am your host for the day. Today is 13 July 2022 and the day is Wednesday. Today class 5 is going to present the assembly and the topic of the assembly
Louder.
aquatic life. Pairs the
It's
exercise
aquatic
of
life. Aquatic.
aquatic. Let's get inspiration from this beautiful thought and stay together to start our day. I would like to call Prazar to lead us with morning prayer. Everyone, please join your hands, close your eyes, and bow your head for the prayer.
Everybody join your hand.
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done. On earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins. As we forgive those who sin against us. Save us from the time of trial and deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Thank you so much for filling our morning with positivity and faith. I would like to call Divyam for the pledge. Take the position for pledge. All is up. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of. And fit for your heritage. I shall always. Stand to be. Worthy of it. I shall give respect. To my parents. Teachers. And all elders. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. And with my devotion. India will be. With prosperity. Alone as my happiness. Jai Hind.
Which class?
I would like to call Arnav to inspire us with her motivational thoughts.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arnav Shah. I study in class 5 and I am going to deliver today's thought. Water is such a lifesaver into which we can't breathe, but without taking it into us we cannot live. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav. Now I would like to invite Arnav to read the news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Present here. I am Pranav Aryan. I study in class 5. Today's news is a SpiceJet flight from Dubai to Madurai got delayed after the Boeing B737 MAX aircraft nose wheel malfunctioned on Monday. This is the 9th incident of technical malfunction on a SpiceJet aircraft in 24 days. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnav. Now I would like to go on to speak on the topic. One world inside water. This world contains many animals and plants. These animals are called aquatic animals. They have their separate lifestyle. These animals live completely different from normal living beings. Aquatic animals take oxygen inside the water. Therefore, it is said that aquatic life is very much different and opposite to a normal terrestrial life. With increasing water contamination and spilling of oils in seas and water bodies and increase increasing incidence of trapping activities by humans. This aquatic life is trapped in danger situation. It is necessary to keep a good balance of their life. If sea water and ocean water are polluted, then it affects that aquatic life. Many aquatic animals face death because of polluted water. As water is the only source of oxygen they have, if this source is polluted, then for sure it will affect their life. Thank you.
Loudly, loudly you can say. Nothing to worry.
Good morning, everyone. I am class 5.
What is your name?
Again,
Say, I'm Aganvi of class 5.
I'm secondly of separate lifestyle. These animals live completely different from normal living beings. Aquatic animals take oxygen inside the water.
Why are you standing there?
Therefore, it said that aquatic life is very much different and opposite to a normal terrestrial life, which with increasing water contamination and spilling of oil and sea and water body and increasing incidence of trapping aquatic activity by humans. This aquatic life is trapped in danger situations. It is necessary to keep a good balance of their life. If sea water and ocean water are polluted, then it affects the aquatic life. Many aquatic animals face that because of polluted water. As water is the only source of oxygen that they have. If this source is polluted, then for sure it will affect their life. Thank you.
Very good, very good. You saw there was no education. God bless. Thank you.
I would like to call our music band for the song.
हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे